Hey tubers, Ghostwolf 86 here at the river with the freighter Algoma Guardian. So we're waving to her to see if I can get a salute. If you can read, it says Algoma Guardian. So we're going to follow her as she goes down the river. Trying for a salute, but sometimes they don't see people. It's hit and miss. Well, let's follow her. Maybe she'll salute if I follow. This freighter is actually a frequent visitor to my channel. I usually catch her going up the river, or I catch her going down. Thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of the freighter Algoma Guardian. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what freighter I'll have next.